morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, I welcome you all to the math class. I am your teacher Priyanka Raj Bhandari with a new chapter today. Okay, so hope you all are excited to know what we are going to do today. But before moving to the chapter, let's just see what is the day and the date today. The day is Wednesday today and the date is 17th of November 2021. So children, in today's class, we are going to do a new chapter from your Math Steps book. So I request you all to get ready with your Math Step book. So yes, children, we are going to do chapter 11, Measures of Length. There is a new chapter in your book, Measures of Length. So in today's class, we are going to do exercise 62 from this chapter. Okay, we have done many things about measurement of length that you all know. Yes, so you know that to measure anything is known as measurement of length. To know the length of anything or any person, even if you measure yourself, it is also you are measuring your length. Yes, if you want to measure the length of the box, breadth of the box, this all, height of the box, height of your house, this all are measured in the units of length. So children, we have got different instruments to measure the length. Okay, some are called some are ruler, which we use every day. Yes, which we carry with us, ruler or scale, we call it measuring tape in order to measure our length. We have meter rods also. Okay, so different instruments are there in order to measure the length, and the standard unit of measurement is meter. Yes, children, meter is the standard unit of measurement. In this chapter, you will learn to convert meter into centimeters and kilometers into meters. So, you know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. We have already done in our another book, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So, to convert meters into centimeters, you have to put 2 zeros after the number. For example, 2 meter equals to, you will write 2 and double 0. Now 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So kilometer is a larger unit of this of the measurement. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So to convert kilometer into meter, you have to put 3 zeros after the number. For example, if it is 4 kilometer and if you have to convert 4 kilometer into meter, you have to write 4000 meters. So I hope the conversion is clear. When we will do the sums, it will be more clear to you all, children. So to measure smaller length, for example, your pen, yes, your copy, book, bottle, water bottle, you use centimeter scale. Okay, you use centimeter as your unit. You can see the pencil is measuring 9 centimeter. And to measure length of the road, that is long. Yes, you can't measure length of the road in centimeter, so you have to use the kilometer unit. So to measure smaller scale, you will use centimeter unit, and to measure longer length, you will use kilometer unit. So hope it is clear to you all. So children, in today's class, we will do exercise 62, page number 172. So all of you get ready with your book and with your copy too. So this is exercise 62, children, which we are going to do today. We will do 1 to 7, and the remaining work, whichever is left out, will be given as your home assignment. So without any delay, let us proceed to our class. Children, this is exercise 62. We will do 1A. So dash centimeter equals to 1 meter. So we have already learned that 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So you will write 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equals to dash meter. So you know that 1 kilometer equals to how many meters? Yes, 1 kilometer equals to 1000. You have to add 3 zeros. So 1000 meter. Next, children, 100 centimeter equals to same thing. 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter, and 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. It is vice versa, children. 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. Now change into centimeters. Meters are given, children. the units are given in meters and you have to change it into centimeters. So we have already learned the rule. To change it into centimeter, we have to add 20 after the number. So 3 is already there. So 300 centimeter. That means 1 centimeter equals to 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So 3 meter equals to 300. So in the same way, 5 meter equals to 500 centimeter. Now 47 meter. 47 meter equals to, you will write 7 and you will add 20. Yes, so 47 meter equals to 4700 centimeter. D, you can do it yourself. Now children, you have to change into meter. 6 kilometer. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 6 kilometer equals to, you have to add 3 zeros. Yes, so 6000 meters. Next, 9 kilometer equals to 9000 meters. Very correct. Yes, 9000 meters. 7 kilometer equals to, you will just add 3 zeros after the number, so 7000 meters. Now number D you will do for your home assignment. Moving to number 4, this you will do in copy. So you have to get ready with your copy now. Change into centimeters. So 7 meter and 75 centimeter is given, children. So we know that you have to change into meters. So 7 meter you directly convert into 700 centimeter. Yes, 7 meter means 700 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. So what is your answer? The answer you got, you have to add this 775 centimeter. This is the answer you will get after adding it. Number B, 19 meter 85 centimeter. 19 meter 85 centimeter. So 19 meter means, after 19 meter how many zero you are going to add? 19 meter means 1900 centimeter. Yes, after 19 you will add 20. That is the rule of conversion. So plus 85 centimeter. So add it. How much you will get? You will get 1985 centimeter. So in this way you will do 4A and B, and C and D you will do it by yourself. Now number 5, children. Number 5A, you have to convert in meters. Same rule we will follow. Just you will add 3 zeros, okay? Because you know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So 8 kilometer. So after 8, how many zeros you are going to add? Yes, you are going to add 3 zeros. So 8000 meter, 8 kilometer equals to 8000 meter. Then you have to add the rest of the number which are in meters plus 123 meters. So it will be 8123 meters, right? Now let us do number B, children. The question is 9 kilometer and 456 meter. 9 kilometer 456 meter. So 9 kilometer means 9000 meters. Yes, 9000 meters, and 456 is already in meters. So you just have to add 456 meter. So what answer you will get after adding 9456 meters? Okay, children. So hope till here everyone is clear. Number C you can do it yourself. Number D, I will do number E now. Okay, what is the question in number E? 4 kilometer 7 meter. 4 kilometer 7 meter. So 4 kilometer equals to how many? 4000 meter plus 7 is already in meter. So you just have to add 7 meter. So you can't add 7 in the 100 position directly. So you have to add this 7 with the 0 in ones position. So your answer will be 4007 meters. So in this way you will do this sum. Number F you will do as your home assignment. Okay. Now let us move to number 6, children. Change into meters and centimeter. Okay, so this is little bit different, children. You have to change. The unit is given in, the number is given in, length is given in centimeter. You have to change into meter. Okay, children. So you know that 2345. Okay, so if you divide 2345, we know that 1 centimeter equals to 100 meter. So you have to divide it with 100. Okay, in the rough you can try dividing In the rough you can try dividing. So we know that 1 2s are 200. Yes, after that 2 minus 4 minus 4, 4 minus 0, 4, 3 minus 0, 3 and 5. So 100 3s are 300 and the remainder we got is 45. Now this remainder you will write in centimeter, rest you will write in quotient, you will write in meter. So your answer will be 23 meter 45 centimeter. In this way you will do number 6. Okay, A I will do now. B I will do for you 4567 centimeter. In the same way, if you divide children 4567 centimeter with 100, if you divide it with 100, you will get 45 meter and 67 centimeter. Okay, hope this is clear to you all. So I have done B. You will do C and D. D is quite easy. Yes, D is quite easy. And E also you will do for yourself. So F I will do for you. The question is 50, that is 50,007 centimeters. So let us divide. To convert into meter, let us divide 5007 by how much? 100. Okay, so that will be 50007 by 100. If you divide it, 100 5s are 500. Yes, after this this 0 will come down. 100 zeros are 0 and 7 is there. So that will be 50. Okay, 100 zeros are zeros. More will be there, so 7 will be there. That will be 500 meter 7 centimeter. So in this way children, you will do number A, B and F. Rest you will do it yourself. Now let us do number 7 here. I am doing number 7 here children. So the first question is, you have to convert kilometers and meters. Okay, you have to convert kilometers into you have to convert meters into kilometers and meters. So here you have to divide it with 1000 children. So if you divide it with 1000, you will get the length in kilometers, because we know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So it is already given in length. Meter, so you divide it with 1000. We know that 1000 2s are 2000. So after subtracting it, you will get 643. So simply you will write quotient. You will write quotient here in kilometers. Quotient will be turned into kilometers. So your answer will be 2 kilometer 346 meter. Okay, 2 kilometer 346. Remainder you will write in meters only. So 2 kilometers 346 meter. Let us do number B. Use number C you will do by yourself. Number B I will do it for you. 7500 meters. So you have to convert 7500 meters into kilometers. So let us start dividing with 1000. So when you divide it with 1000, so what will be your answer? 1000 sevens are 7000 and your remainder will be 500. Yes, so what will be your answer? How you will write? You will write this 7 into kilometer, 7 in kilometer, 7 kilometer 500 meter. So this is the way how you will convert kilometers into meters, meters into kilometers. Okay children, so hope children whatever we have done in today's class, exercise 62, is clear to you all. If you are not clear, you can contact me, you can ask me in the live class. Okay, so I will see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.